Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to today's video. I just wanted to point out what's been going on at my house. But that freaking nest right there is a problem, you know. I hit it with a freaking fire extinguisher the other day. That's why it's all blown out. But yeah, it's pretty fucked, huh? Never seen a nest that big in Connecticut. And, yeah, just, not something you want in your backyard. It used to be some little yellow jackets in there. And I sprayed it with the hose. I got like half of it down. And what I think happened is they all were starting shooting venom. They were all pissed off. And, the white-faced hornets caught wind of that. And, came in, attacked them, and moved in. And then I sprayed them with poison. And then a fire extinguisher. And now I'm going to do fire at some point. Little Animal Planet section, but we're going to go ahead and register Don's 240 now. Bruh. What? Alright. You can't see whatever. Don got a classic plate for his 240, and now we're going to go...
Oh, the neck, dude.
Oh, Laneige.
Dude, why, yo, I swear to God, we were laughing at it, and that's why she went and put it back and got me a different one. I swear to God, dude. That's why.
His plate said Laneige, so now it just says Laneige. I wish it was Laneige, dude.
I know, yo.
You could have changed your Instagram name to like, Laneige Ma'am. Yeah, we're gonna go friggin' get my tube and shit put on, you feel me? Oh yeah, here we are at the farm. Take my wheel off my bike. Callie's all good, dude. Her tire's minty. My tire's minty as well, but a flat as all fuck ass. So much better. Yeah, there's mad fucking tarantulas underneath that shit. Okay. I don't think that 120 looks bad on there. Sorry. Okay. I forgot what I did with the chain guard that I bought. But I need to change that because it's literally metal on metal. And I hate fucking hearing that. It's a massive deal. Do you know how annoying that is when I ride? All I hear is...
Chain wax, bro.
The fuck are you... Dude, it's metal on metal. There's supposed to be plastic underneath this. It's gone.
Chain wax, freaking.
Alright, dude, fuck this, dude.
You put oil in your engine. Like, the reason why you don't hear your engine going.
First of all, I don't put oil in my engine. So, just dropped off my tire and tube over at Superfly. We're gonna head to Roost because we need a thing for Callie's bike as well, which kind of sucks. And they didn't have it here. So hopefully Roost has it.
What? Callie should change your Instagram name to Callie, dude. That'd be fun.
Callie.
I've never, ever been to a bike shop where, like, their stuff was cheaper than, like, Amazon and, like,
damn,
the website.
Hold up, we gotta look at the flake on this, dude. Holy shit, dude. That is a sick color. Damn.
Smell that.
That's badass. Huh? What the fuck are you doing?
I'm putting this in
We have to go inside with the dirt bike parts.
It's not a part, it's a freaking...
It doesn't matter. They're gonna know we have dirt bikes and we're gonna be cool and they're gonna give us discounts on pizza slices. Alright guys, we're all freaking set. I'm hyped. Got that new 120, it's not even a rubber tube, it's a bottle tube. Shinko 505 gummy tire, we out here.
Don't take it on the street.
Yeah, I won't take it on the street. They're not meant for streets.
Yeah, Steve. Yeah, I was literally about to do that.
What? To, like, separate these? You just gotta separate the brake pads. There it goes.
Wait.
Oh, it's not through the caliper jamming.
Yeah. So you guys are about to witness like the first time I've ever touched a horse. I can get it to come over here. Yo, Damian. How do you get a horse to come over to you?
Say, come over to me, horse.
Come over here, horse. Yeah, you're a fucking liar. Yo, you're more dirt bike than me, dude. Like,
what are you talking about?
It didn't take me this long to take my wheel off and put it back on, dude. When I needed a new tube.
No, my problem is that thing kept falling out, and now I'm like, where the fuck is the thing for this side?
What are you talking about?
The thing for this side.
What is the thing?
The thing that you just said, oh, it's falling off. This. I don't know where the fuck this is.
There were two on the ground.
No, there was one on the ground.
I saw two, dude.
No, there's one on the ground. It's probably at the fucking shop or some dumb shit.
Oh, God.
I'm pissed.
Alright, well, the wheel's basically on.
I don't care, I'll ride it like this.
I still haven't touched the horse yet.
What are you, some kind of asshole? You don't know how to touch a horse? Bike idle, dude.
Damian, good looks. You just roost the fucking car. Nah, it's straight. It's just hay and grass. If you did it over here, though, I'd be pissed.
Come on, dude.
What the fuck? This is gonna be the funny part right here.
What, trying to kick it over? It's not set up for his weight, mind you, so that's why it looks like that. He did set up his bike for his weight. He just wanted to ride mine and see what he thought of it. Can't really tell here because it's not like a room to open it up. Plus I told him not to stuff it, so.
Yeah, no, it feels like that.
Not the torque?
Yeah.
This dude almost stuffed it standing straight up. Alright, let's put it back in the truck then. Alright, well. Those are in there. That's good.
Yeah, plenty of
shit, dude. Here, hold this. I gotta turn my. No, I don't.
I see 4 right now.
I have enough for. This goes over the back tires. You still need 2 for your bike. It's $2, dude. Fucking guy, dude. Like,
I'm usually not like a fucking greedy, like stingy guy, but like
a stingy guy. The sauce man.
Oh. I'm 100% not a stingy guy.
They called me the sauce man. You were being so like a stinge.
I'm renting a U-Haul for these guys. I'm renting a U-Haul. Yeah.
Right, hurry up and back out so I can close the door before the damn horses friggin' escape. Dude, friggin'. I just got a call from Thomaston. And I was like, I'm not answering that because I don't answer numbers that like just call me.
And then I said,
yeah, Don's like, yeah, wait, dude, that's Thomaston. That might be Superfly. And they're like, yo, part of your rim is here. The mechanic just told me. I'm like, I knew it. Damn it. Because I thought maybe I left it at the shop or something like that, but I really just didn't feel like that's something I would miss. Because like, you need that shit. All right, here we are. So I have to freaking unlock both shops. Move shit, put my Prelude in here, sweep Ronnie's Bay. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit, we out here doing Prelude.
It'd be funny if you did that and a mouse came flying out, like, just fucking shot dump far. Like.
Yeah, my car looks really good, guys.
Sounds like the SR.
Someone buy my fucking muffler. If someone hasn't already called dibs, my bad. Alright, man, so that's all the many spaces for Ronnie to be bugging out tomorrow. It's my blood. It's kind of gross. But, yeah. Swept this shit up. Got the free loot in my bay. Kind of a mess, but it'll be good. Alright, well, we gotta get back home because Don is like falling asleep. So, yeah. So, Ronnie's bay is all good and clean. Prelude's in the other bay. Tires in the bike. Don's car is registered. Now, it's Friday and Callie's gonna be out of work soon. So, you know, gotta go chill with my lady. Just want to give one last final, like, massive shout out. It's the end of the video, but thank you so much to Fonzie from dipyourcar.com. Guys, check him out. Link will be in the description. He saw the video and commented on it where I said not to dip your car and whatnot. I was mostly speaking out of like distaste for whoever dipped that car. I know actual dip, like a professional job, is good and actually peels off, but whoever did Don's car did it horrendously or very, very long ago, and it's horrible and it's gonna be a mess to get off. And he went out of his way to send me 2 of these massive cans of dip remover, and yeah, so huge shout out to him. This is probably all we're gonna need. I don't know, so cool. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and guys, go down in the description, give their channel a follow, check out their videos for some helpful advice with Plasti Dip or any type of dip. Cool, we'll be using that Sunday on Don's car. Look forward to that. But I have not seen Callie in at least 3 days. What an awful 3 days it's been, I'll tell you. So, yeah, I know we're disgusting with that. She'll like go home, text me like, I miss you. I'm like, yeah, same. Anyway, enough of that mushy bullshit. I'm gonna go hang out with my lady and have a good time and whatnot. And tomorrow we're going riding, so that's a fair warning for all of you guys who absolutely hate my riding videos. But if you do like my riding videos or enjoy seeing me in a good mood, definitely look forward to tomorrow's video because me, Don, and Callie are all going riding. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Peace out.